Hey you guys, now I know y'all see how bomb and moisturized my hair looks right now. Well, I used the organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask by Groveda Hair Solutions. So you all would like to see how I apply it and just how well it works on my hair, then just keep watching this video. Okay, y'all, so this right here is the organic matcha green tea avocado hair mask by Groveda Hair Solutions. And basically this video is just showing y'all how I applied it for this particular wash day. And just how well it worked on my hair. Right here you just see me, lightly working it through. Truth be told, this first half is not the best view, but you'll be able to see better on the next half of my hair. But as you can see right now, I'm just applying the product very generously all over my hair, just working it in. This is a very creamy deep conditioner. I love it. So right now you actually just see me brushing my hair back, and I'm going to braid this half. But just some more info about this deep conditioner and about Groveda is, a whole brand. Groveda is, their main objective is to grow your hair. That's why it's called Groveda. It's to grow your hair, to give you optimum moisture. I believe that's the word, maximum moisture. Its goal is to moisturize your hair, grow your hair, thicken up your hair. So it's just a really good brand of products to use. Every product is handmade, and one of my favorite products from their whole line is their deep conditioner. I use it a lot. This is the consistency of it right here. It's very thick and creamy, and it actually has peppermint in it. And when you rub it on your scalp, you feel that cooling sensation. Well, when you feel that, that's how you know a product is stimulating your scalp. And scalp stimulation equals hair growth, and that's what we all want. So that's one of my favorite things about this deep conditioner. As you can see right here, I'm just applying it everywhere. I am not light-handed at all. I'm very generous with this deep conditioner. Going back to how this product makes my scalp feel, that's my favorite thing when applying this, especially now. This is older footage, but especially now, I even glob it on my scalp and massage it in, and I feel like my hair definitely benefits from that. So yeah, just overall, I definitely recommend this hair mask. As you can see, I was working it into my scalp in this clip as well. I'm actually way more generous now, but this is how it looks in the container. And right here you're just going to see me brush this half back. When I deep condition my hair, no matter what deep conditioner I use, I like to brush my hair back and braid it into two braids, as you can see, or two plaits. And then I'm not going to show it, but I actually pin it up, like I crisscross and pin it up, and then put a plastic cap on, and then I just let it sit for however long. And before I cross it or put my cap on, I do like to rub on some oil. Usually I apply it after I apply the deep conditioner, but yeah, oil is very important because it locks in that moisture. And then this right here is how my hair looks right after rinsing out that deep conditioner. The very first clip I showed you was from a different wash day, but this one is from this wash day. I used the deep conditioner both wash days, but I like the way the first one looked more. And then this is how my hair looks after styling with the Aloe Rose collection by Groveda. I will link that wash day or wash and go up above and down below. And then this is the final product. I really loved the way my hair came out. It was very beautiful. So yeah, I definitely recommend Groveda to you all. I will link my I will put my discount code down below. But that's pretty much it. So if you all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.